In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unfriend all your Facebook friends at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here at your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile page. Once you've done that, tap at these three dots next to Edit Profile, and that's where we can easily find Activity Log. Then go to Connections, just tap on it to expand it, and then go to Manage Friends. On that page, first of all, we need to go to Filters, then Categories, and then let's just filter all this data by your friends. That will show you the list of all your new added friends in chronological order, and from here we can unfriend any user simply by tapping at three dots next to their name and then selecting Unfriend. That's where you can unfriend all your Facebook friends one by one.